Anyone who watches my channel knows that I do not like fragrance, but I'm okay with it in a wash-off treatment.
Fragrance is a really hot topic in skincare. If you're into skincare, you probably know who Hyram is. So on this video, I am going to react to Hyram's skincare routine. What does America's holistic plastic surgeon think about it? At the end, I'll even give him a letter grade for what I think about it. Let's get started.
I'm going to be using in total 8 products with one skincare tool. So 9 products altogether.
9 products in a skincare routine. That is a lot of products to use on your skin. Do you really need to do 9 steps? Well, in general, the answer is no. But let's see which one of these maybe he doesn't have to do.
The first thing I do is I use a cleansing balm. I'm specifically using the Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. I like this one because, well, I like cleansing balms in general because they're a great way of just dissolving the sunscreen and excess oil and dirt buildup that has accumulated throughout the day off of your skin.
What is a cleansing balm? Well, more and more people are doing a double cleanse where they use an oil-based type of a cleanser first and then they followed up with their normal, let's say, gentle cleanser. A cleansing balm basically is what it sounds like. It's a balm. It's kind of like a solid that you then scoop out and apply to your face. Cleansing balms basically will start as a solid, but once you put it on your face, it warms up and it becomes softer. And then as you get water on it, it actually becomes a bit of a liquid. And it is a great way to clean off the day's worth of dirt and grime and pollution and sunscreen and makeup as well. Both cleansing balms and cleansing oils are great for getting started with your skincare routine.
I love applying it because it applies so smoothly and it's formulated with a lot of rich hydrating oils that are really great for nourishing the skin, which I think is awesome because the cleansing system can usually be a little bit stripping to the skin.
This product, Then I Met You Cleansing Balm, is a clean beauty product. It actually comes from Korea and it has really nice reviews. It's filled with a lot of healthy oils like grapeseed oil and olive oil, which can be very soothing and anti-inflammatory to the skin.
It does have fragrance, and anyone who watches my channel knows that I do not like fragrance, but I'm okay with it in a wash-off treatment.
Fragrance is a really hot topic in skincare. The traditional skincare products contained a lot of fragrances, and I would argue that a lot of people bought their skincare products because of how they smelled. Well, the trend now is towards less and less fragrance or even no fragrance, because we do know that a lot of people have sensitivities to fragrance. So my general belief with fragrance is, in general, less is more. Some people just don't tolerate fragrance at all, but the vast majority of the population do like a tiny bit of fragrance in their products. And as long as it's non-toxic and it's such a small amount, typically most people do just fine with it.
And then after I make sure I've gotten every part of my skin, I just rinse it off with water and then immediately go in with my cleanser, which I just do all in one swoop. My favorite cleanser, the one that I have to use all the time, otherwise my skin freaks out, is the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser.
This product, the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser, is a very nice cleanser for the skin. It contains all natural ingredients as well as anti-inflammatory ingredients and appears to be very well tolerated by the skin. So overall, 2 thumbs up for this product as a good cleanser.
But my skin doesn't feel overly stripped afterwards, which is tricky to find because some cleansers I find work so well that afterwards my skin is like gasping for water. It's like the Sahara Desert.
This is a really important point to make. Cleansers should make your skin feel clean, but not tight. So one easy test to determine whether a cleanser is too aggressive for your skin is to cleanse your skin with it, dry off, and then give it a few minutes. If after several minutes your skin feels like Hyram just described, where it feels like it's so tight and dry, then you know that that cleanser has stripped too many of the oils from your skin. That can actually be very harmful to your skin and it can disrupt your skin's natural microbiome. Ideally, a cleanser should make your skin feel clean, but not tight and not dry.
Next, I go in with a new step that I haven't been using for very long. It's the Innisfree Green Tea Fresh Toner. Now, normally I'm not a big toner person because I don't really feel that they're necessary to a skincare routine, but this product, the first ingredient is green tea extract. The first ingredient, and it's like super affordable.
Now, toners have in the past been considered a vital part of the skincare routine, but that no longer is true. Back when the cleansers were so aggressive, toners were often necessary to basically reset the pH of your skin. And a lot of toners still do that very effectively, but it isn't always necessary. So if you're somebody who wants to simplify your skincare routine, removing a toner, even one like this one, which is filled with great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it's also a clean beauty product, a great product, but you may consider skipping this step if you want to simplify your routine.
The next product I use is from Versed. It's the Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. Retinol is one of my favorite ingredients for just repairing so much damage within the skin. It's so well researched, there's so many benefits to it, and I think it's a must, especially considering like how much sun exposure I get here and just the stressors and the fact that I do age so quickly. Retinol is a must step in my skincare routine.
If you've been watching my videos, you know that I am a huge fan of retinol. The number one skincare product that we sell at my online store is my Youn Beauty Retinol Moisturizer. And it's with good reason, as just like Hyram said, retinol should be the cornerstone of an anti-aging skincare routine because it does so many things, from exfoliating your skin to reducing dark spots to thickening the collagen of your skin and just overall making your skin healthier. This episode is brought to you by my skincare line, Youn Beauty. Our products combine natural and organic ingredients with the latest in scientifically proven anti-aging components like vitamin C and retinol. So if you're looking for healthy and youthful skin without the unnecessary chemicals, this is the skincare line for you. Check them out at dryounonline.com and use the coupon code 20OFF to get $20 off your first order over $99. We'll put a link in the caption below. All right, back to the video.
So I just took 2 pumps of that and applied it into my skin. One of the reasons I like that one is because retinol usually comes in very thick, heavy creams. And I want to be able to utilize retinol, but also be able to apply other products on top of it afterward.
Most retinols come in more of a cream formulation, and this is a serum. This also is a clean beauty product, so you don't have to worry about harmful additives and ingredients in it. And the other thing is it contains something called bakuchiol. This is a very interesting and pretty trendy skincare ingredient that some people call an alternative to retinol. So for those people who can't tolerate retinol in their skin because they're very sensitive, then bakuchiol has become a plant-based option for some people who can't tolerate retinol.
This one is a must in my skincare routine, the Great Barrier Relief from Crave Beauty. This is a great product for just making sure that my moisture barrier is as strong as possible. And when I started using this product, I immediately noticed that the redness in my face was gone, my skin was more hydrated, I started noticing like a brightness and getting rid of dark spots and sunspots on my face. Just so many different benefits that I started noticing from this product.
So this product, Crave Beauty Great Barrier Relief, is a nice serum that has a lot of anti-inflammatories and antioxidant properties and ingredients in it. This product also contains niacinamide, which is a mild skin lightener that is very safe for the skin as well.
So after I apply that product, I go in with a final moisturizer because this alone, it can be used as a moisturizer, but I would say it doesn't have enough inclusive agents to really form the protective seal to prevent me from losing water through my skin overnight. But I don't like going in with really heavy creams after doing this many products, which is why I have been absolutely loving the Rovectin Clean Water Cream, but I specifically love this one because it's a very lightweight water cream, so it absorbs into the skin so quickly.
The use of a moisturizer should be very individual. There's some people who have really oily skin, and to add a moisturizer on top of these products may be unnecessary. However, there are those people who have dry skin, who have mature skin, where a moisturizer is very necessary to hydrate their skin and to lock in that moisture, especially overnight.
All right, once I pat that into my skin, I go in with lips next because my lips tend to get really dry, and I think overnight is a great time for me to just make sure I'm really moisturizing my lips.
It seems with the lips, we either do one of two things. We neglect them and we have really dry, chapped lips, or we're addicted to lip balm. So it is important to try to get somewhere in the middle. If you apply too much lip balm, it is true your lips can actually get addicted to it and can stop making the natural oils and moisturizers that it should. On the flip side, you don't want to neglect your lips because, then who would want to kiss you?
The one that I've been really loving is the Milk Makeup Melatonin Lip Mask. I think there's a lot of underrated benefits to melatonin in skincare, and I specifically like this one because it's very thick, it's very hydrating, and it's going to make sure that I do not wake up with dry lips.
This also is a really nice product. Now, melatonin is this interesting thing that's been in skincare just the last couple of years, where we are finding that there are actual topical skin receptors for melatonin. So some people believe that applying melatonin topically on your skin can help your sleep-wake cycle a bit. There are some beliefs, though, that melatonin can also act to fight off UV radiation and to act as an anti-inflammatory to the skin. So we're learning more and more about melatonin. I don't know that applying it onto your lips in that small amount is going to help you to sleep at night, but who knows?
And then for the final step, I go in with a skincare tool. It's actually a cooling globe. I love using this both at nighttime or in the morning, specifically in the morning on the under eye area, because it really depuffs the face. It really glides across the skin, helps to, further push your skincare products into your skin without leaving traces of water across the surface of your skin. And I always just leave this in the fridge overnight.
Cooling globes have become very popular over the last couple years. Some people call them ice globes because you get them cold and then you massage basically the skin of your face. And ideally you go in the direction of the lymphatics to help push fluid and swelling out of your face. So some people ask, what's the difference between a cooling globe and a jade roller? Well, really probably not a whole lot. Both of them can help push swelling out of your face. Both of them can potentially help with your skincare. The main difference is that some people believe that certain stones can create a health benefit as well. Whether you use jade or onyx or some of these other stones that are made into rollers. Well, science, to my knowledge, hasn't necessarily proven that the type of stone that you use in a roller can really make a profound impact on your health. But I guess it couldn't hurt.
And I like to go on the neck as well and just push upwards. And this is just such a nice step just to calm down, focus on just self-care time.
I totally agree with Hyram here. If you can, while you're doing this, just take a minute or two to just kind of de-stress, then that always is good for your skin as well.
All right, and after we finish that, I am finished with my skincare routine, and this is where I pass out, I knock out, I wake up glowy, happy, and hydrated, which is the goal, always.
So if I were to give Hyram a grade for his skincare routine, I would give him an A+. There is a reason why millions of people follow Hyram for his skincare recommendations. It's because he knows his stuff. Now, I suppose I should downgrade him a little bit, maybe make him down to an A, because he didn't use any of my Youn beauty products, but oh well, what can you say? So throughout this video, I have mentioned the term clean beauty, and this is a term that has come under quite a bit of scrutiny. Well, I believe in it because I think it's so important to only use safe ingredients in your skincare. And I create a playlist for you right up here where I go into all the basics of clean skincare, what to put on your skin, my recommended morning and night skincare routine. It's all right up here. And if you've been enjoying these videos, please subscribe, and always remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort.